My name is Sanjay Ram and my partner name is Balaji. I am going to talk about low cost microscope. If we need to see a microorganism in the water, we need microscope. It costs more money. If we want to do it in low cost, we can do it with the laser light. By using the laser light, we want to take the drop of the water and keep it in the tip of the laser light, and we want to press the button. We can see the microorganism in the screen. We should use the dark room for the clear presentation. Thank you.